If you don't have a data science strategy, you might be wasting your organization's investment in data. In today's session, we'll see why you need a data science strategy and how to go about creating one. McKinsey found that only 30% of organizations align their analytics strategy with their broader corporate strategy. If you're wondering why that's even important, you're busy already planning and productionizing your data science projects. Let me give you an example. You are the captain of a boat and you have 10 people rowing. There's one more person who wants to join in. He picks up an oar and starts rowing, but in the opposite direction. So now this person is putting in a lot of effort and genuinely wants to help. But not only are his efforts going waste, but he's actually moving you a little bit backward. This is what happens in many organizations. When I talk to CIOs, I find that they execute a lot of projects, but very few of them add to the organizational overall outcomes. That's why data science strategy is extremely important to achieve organization-wide alignment. Today we'll see what are the 10 elements of a data science strategy based on the framework we use at Gramna, and I'll provide an example from the pharma domain. Number one, start with your business vision. What do you want to achieve? What are your broader business goals? How can data enable you and help you get there? Who are the target stakeholders, both internal and external, and be more focused rather than trying to serve everyone? What are those initiatives which will help them meet their goals and take you towards your ultimate vision? What does success look like in those initiatives? What are the measures that you can use to track it? And who's going to be footing the bill? Is it going to be the central corporate or the LOBs? What are the key enablers which will take you forward, those tailwinds? And what are those challenges, those headwinds which will push you back? And what is the governance plan? How do you ensure that the strategy is implemented and followed in spirit? And what are the key capabilities to build from a people, process, and technology perspective? Now let's look at the pharma example and go through these details. Hypothetically, we have this company. So they want to look at how to provide quality, affordable, good care for patients, for their end customers. That's their business vision. And they want to use data to enable that by improving the drug discovery time and improving the efficiency of their manufacturing processes. So their target stakeholders are the drug discovery teams, the clinical trial teams, and the manufacturing teams. The strategic initiatives are reducing the cycle time for clinical trials, and for manufacturing, improving the efficiency, optimization. We have some measures: 10% reduction in clinical trial cycle time and 5% improvement in manufacturing efficiencies. So the funding, LOBs are going to be contributing 5% of their budget towards this data science transformation. The key enablers, the organization is known to be ahead of the technology curve and they have a strong analytics COE. Top challenges, the LOBs, lines of business, are known to have a subculture. There's likely to be grassroots level resistance. Governance plan, you have formed a strategic steering committee which meets every quarter and they will be revising this strategy every 2 years. From a capability standpoint, people, you have come up with a data science career path and skills. And process, you have the organizational structure redefined in a hub and spoke model to promote collaboration. And you have technology strategy aligned closely with the data strategy and with your data science strategy. So these are the 10 elements and this is how you go about creating your data science strategy. As a leader, it is your responsibility to ensure that your business vision aligns with your data science strategy and it aligns with every single project you execute and with every person in your teams. So this is a primary responsibility of executives and leaders in order to make data science a reality within organizations. Hope you found today's session useful. Do you have a data science strategy? What were your learnings in creating them? And what were the challenges you had? And in case you don't have a data science strategy, how do you take care of these 10 elements? Do share in the comments. Thank you.